Hey, it's AKAJK, and today I have another Season 2 vlog on the channel. So today is the second day of Ramadan, so I'm obviously fasting. If you're unsure on what Ramadan is, you can check out my previous vlog, which should have come out yesterday, on what is Ramadan. I'll leave a link to that in the cards above. Anyway, I'm doing homework right now, and yeah, I gotta do some prayers and stuff like that, so yeah. So I'm doing a Google Slides for my science end of year exams, like this revision. So I've got like this is for the first topic, digestive system, and then next page is the next part of the digestive system, and then digestive system finishes here. Because I have a textbook, so I'm pretty much summarizing like 15-16 pages into a few pages, so then I can use this for revision. Now I've started on 8B, and I have 9 topics to summarize, and the test is on the 29th of May. Today's the 18th, so the 29th is 11 days away. So that is pretty much what I'm dealing with for the science work. Also, if you haven't seen yesterday's vlog, I urge you to go check it out. And also, I want you to let me know what you thought of it if you have checked it out in the comment section down below. The hype is real, my G's. Turn on the lights, turn on the lights. 3 minutes to go till we can break our fast. So I'm obviously hyped, I'm really hungry. I'm actually not that thirsty for some reason, maybe because I'm at home, in a home kind of environment. So yeah, I'm gonna go. You can see what our iftar is. Obviously, if you are still confused on what iftar is or iftar, check out yesterday's vlog where I talked about what Ramadan is. I think I plugged that video 3 times. Anyway, let's go and eat in, I think, 2 minutes now.